It's the one and only MkZues, and today I'm testing out that Plasti dip spray on just some of the bits of chrome that I have going across the side skirt right here. And I didn't really even go about trying to like keep it all the way edged up because I'm going like in a downward motion with the can, so there's no real need for it to be like, you know, right there up along it. I'm shooting at sort of like an angle when it comes to putting it on. I wipe down this whole bit of chrome, and just to like give you like a before and after, this is how it looks without the matte black Plasti dip. This is how the whole side of my MK looks. This is how my whole MkZ looks. And I don't know, I might just like debadge it too while I'm at it, but I don't know, I might keep it on there. But I'm going to be taking out these little bits right here along the bottom. I'm actually, you know what? I'm going to keep this one, take that one out, and take that little one out too. And then black that out as well. And just keep that piece of chrome going across. And I might as well, I don't know if I'm going to do it, I might wrap my door handles instead of spraying them with the Plasti dip. But that's what I'm doing for today. I'm going to get right back to it, give these two things another couple of coats, and then go about smacking on this whole setup. So I'll show you, like, this is how it looks once you're actually starting to spray. And then I'll go about with the other side, I'll actually show you like step by step what I had to do to actually you know, safeguard my windows. You know, even though as you can see, like my spray, like this is my spray zone right here, but it's like a little bit coming out to like right here pretty much. And so that's why I got all of that covered, even going down. But I'm about to get back to it, and I'll show you all the finished result, along with setting up the other side too. Alright, so basically this is just what everything is going to look like after your second and third spray. There's a couple of pieces that I got to hit again with a thicker spray all the way on down. But this is what I'm doing for right now, and I'll show you all the finished result come tomorrow. We'll get started on the next thing that we're going to be doing with this MkZ. Peace.